So this is the continuation. I make an introduction to a referral client. I just put out a video thinking about selling your client's home and car lot. Watch this. So this is a continuation from that conversation where I have found a realtor that I'm going to refer, and did a bunch of research, and then I did a three-way call. It was not as smooth as I would prefer, because when I originally called the client, she didn't pick up, and then she called me back. So I started the recording from when she called me, and then she was going to the bank, so she said it needed to be quick. But I made the quick introduction. But the real point of introducing them, putting them on a three-way call, is because I really want to build up the agent that I'm referring. I basically said I called the board of realtors, got a referral. That was the person that they referred to me, and then I called about 15 other agents, really just to get a feel for who was up there, the experience they had, and who would be the absolute best referral to give to my potential client when I was calling, but somebody I realized was out of my geographic area. And I'm also not really equipped to sell business because I don't have a business broker's license. So I referred her to who I think is the right person. And of course, I will make a referral off of that if the sale of the home goes through and the sale of the car lot goes through. Which I Googled it and I saw there was a ton of cars on that lot. So who knows, that could be a sizable business. But obviously, again, what I tell you guys, you need opportunity. You need to be on the phone. You need to be talking to a lot of people, and you need to capitalize. When you do get opportunity, you need to be able to convert either through referrals and ideally sales, where you're buying the house, you're wholesaling the house, or you're listing the house. And then also maybe you're getting a small referral if there's cars that you're helping the client sell, or land, or other things. You're finding different ways to monetize each transaction. Our time is valuable. Again, opportunity plus monetization gets you paid. All right, guys. So enjoy this phone call, quick introduction. And if you want to talk to me, if you want to partner with me, set up a 15-minute Zoom call. We can get together, see if we're a good fit, where I can help you in your business. I can get you to 2 to 4 deals a month very easily if that's what you're looking to do. And I can help you wholesale, flip, and just make more money and live better. So, all right, guys, thanks for watching. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and enjoy the video. Okay, perfect. Well, I said I found, I talked to a bunch of people over there in your neck of the woods.
Yeah.
And I found somebody I think is really good, knows how to value a business. It has been doing this type of work for, over 15 years.
Okay.
And then she's also, very competent for residential real estate.
Yeah.
Yeah, her name is Nanette.
Okay.
Well, I'm gonna, if it's okay, I'd prefer to just introduce you guys. Get her on the. What's that?
Yeah, that would work. Right now, I'm about to stop, and I have to stop things before 5:30. So, can we do it after? Or when do you want to do it?
I was just gonna do it right now, and I guess, I mean, if you're really pressed for time, then we could do it tomorrow, I guess, or later. Otherwise, maybe it could just even be a short introduction, and then she can call you back.
Okay, that's fine. Yeah, that's fine.
Okay, let me get her on the phone. Yeah, like I said, I prefer to introduce you guys because she's very nice, and like I said, I really felt like you and I hit it off. I mean, I just love your energy and your vibe, and I feel like we need to find the right person for you.
Right.
And I think Nanette is that person.
Okay, great.
All right, so let me see. Hopefully she'll answer. Let me see if I can get her. All right, hold on one second. Yeah, Nanette, I have Angela on the other line, so let me patch you guys through so I can introduce you.
Okay.
All right, hold on a second. Yeah, Angela?
Yes.
All right, Nanette, are you there?
Yes.
All right, hi, Nanette. Yeah, all right, so I was just telling Angela, I guess we're going to have to make the introduction fairly quick because Angela's going to stop at the bank, and then you guys can reconnect and kind of get more of the details.
Okay, sounds good. Hi, Angela. No, it's perfectly fine, and I do appreciate Ken making the introduction. What I'll do, your time sensitive, is I'll give you a call. How about tomorrow? And we can, we'll touch base. We'll go over the details and just go from there. But other than that, you have a wonderful evening. Okay.
All right. Well, yeah. Well, and again, like I said, Nanette's been she's been a business broker for over 15 years. Nanette, how long did you say you were in residential as well?
Yeah, well, I've been a real estate since 1994. So
okay,
a long time. Okay.
Well, and I called the association too over there, and Nanette was who they recommended. You know, I mean, I called about 15 people, you know, because I want to be sure I got the very best of the best. But Nanette was who they recommended to begin with, and yeah, definitely, you know, I feel very good putting you in her hands, Angela.
Perfect.
Yeah, she knows how to look over the financials of the car business. I mean, the house is way more straightforward, but yeah, I think she's going to take great care of you, though.
Okay, perfect. Thank you so much. Okay, I'll let her know. Are you trying to do something to talk to me? I can call you back in a little bit.
Yeah, sure. Fine, sure. Why don't you? Yeah, that's great. Why don't you call me back when you're done? And Nanette, why don't you just call Angela tomorrow?
Yeah, perfect. I will do. Thank you. I can. Actually, I could. What works good for you? I'm good all day. Okay, so I'll give you a call around 9 o'clock. Is that good? Okay, that's perfect. Okay. Okay, thank you. Okay.
All right, fantastic. All right, have a good night, and Nanette, and I'll talk to you in a little bit, Angela.
Bye-bye.
All right, bye-bye. All right, guys, so hopefully you enjoyed that quick introduction. We'll see how it goes. Again, I prefer to do a three-way call so I can really edify the agent that I'm referring. Probably could have actually even done a better job on that. Got a little bit more of Nanette's background, any awards, any accolades that she's received, and then really build her up. So when you're making that handoff, you know, the other person is obviously probably thinking, oh, is this the right person? So if you build them up as you're introducing them, then you have a much better chance that the agent that you're referring is going to be able to win over the business and actually help the person that you're referring them to, which in turn is going to get you paid. All right, guys. So again, like the video, subscribe to my channel, reach out to me if you want to have a conversation with me and find out how I can help you. I appreciate you guys, and I'll see you on the next video. All right. Bye for now.